Chord spacing between 1 and 2 is A, between 2 and 3 is B, and between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, C. Okay, this one's called the Worm Gear by androshipus, Andrew. And he kindly sent us the tutorial before he actually released it so we could do the video. So a couple of people actually have it already and they're starting to do some things. And of course, theme man Clint Story did one for the Man of Steel. And that's why we're using red over here and Moonstruck over here. All right, so let's begin. It's going to be with a single strand of cord for the accent. You do your 4-strand cord setup. And like I told you, it's not going to be 2 cords, it's just going to be 1. So, show you for this initial setup, you're going to go down A and keep a little bit off because you're going to use this one and you're going to cut it and singe it afterwards. Alright, so let's begin our knot. And let's get this out of the way. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is grab our cord. We're going to go down C and push it up. All right. So with our strand, we're going to go down C again. We're going to go under, out, and around, and down through C, and out through A. All right, you're going to leave this room over here because we're going to come under, out through A, below this part of the knot, and we're going to do a simple pull from A. We're going to pull up, cut the slack, and then we're going to grab our strand and go down C. And that would be our first knot. Okay, let's do it again. We'll go with our strand over, down C, and out through A. Leave it wide so you could get a better view. Okay, then we're going to grab our strand. We're going to go above this cord over here, and we're going to go over and out through A. Now we're going to pull our cord coming out through A. Then we get the slack. Then we go down through C. It's our second knot. Let's do a couple more. Over, down through C, and out through A. We leave that space there. We're going to go over, under, and out through A. Get it pretty good. And then we're going to pull our cord coming out through A, the bottom part of the cord. And then we'll pull our slack. Grab our cord again, and we go down through C. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to go over, down through C, and out through A. Okay, we're going to go under and out through A. Let me show you once more. It's going to look like that. Okay, then we pull, cord coming out through A. And then we pull our slack. Then we're going to go down through C with our cord. All right, and that's our bracelet. Take it to the end. Have fun.